Magento Dev Channel Nation! How you doing?
Good morning, everyone. Today is Sunday, April 2nd. I would like to show you a couple of things. What's going on before, one day before Magento Imagine. We will speak with a couple of Magento community members and we'll have some fun. So let's go. A quick update. I just checked Brent's email and it says that trip to Big Dam run will take approximately 1 hour in one way. And since I have a meeting like 10:30 a.m., I will probably have to skip this event, Big Dam run event. I really wanted to run, but yeah, I have private meeting. Sorry, Brent. Hello.
What, Matt?
Yes.
Okay. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Where are we heading?
Wynn Hotel. Say hi.
Hi.
We didn't fall asleep in Johnson. That was a good morning. My wife Tracy, by the way.
Sasha.
That's I think 12 days on. Did he take it off? Okay. Just go over. That is 3 men and then let's go.
I will see you later.
Okay. Thank
Okay.
you.
Have fun.
Thank you. Yeah. You're gonna come, right?
No.
Okay, we're leaving.
Yeah.
No, you should go.
I know. Guys, see you tomorrow. Later. Alright, so since we are not going to run, unfortunately, let's see what's inside Wynn Hotel. It's pretty fun, pretty interesting one. Let's go. Can you imagine being in one of the biggest hotels in Las Vegas and not playing with this nice machine? Let's try to win something. By the way, I have no idea what to do with this machine. Let me try. It appears that it's not allowed to record video, so I lost $1, but it's pretty fun. Anton, what do you expect from Magento Imagine?
Same as from every Imagine, we expect more communication with developers, with community developers, essential developers, system integrators, talk to them, get their feedback and give them some answers, maybe to their concerns or their questions that they have about Magento 2 platform. We came here for Hackathon. This is the second day of Hackathon. There is a lot of useful feedback and a lot of things being developed by guys, and we answer some questions and we understand how people use the platform, what challenges they have. And we also published some documents recently. I personally want to get feedback on those documents and discuss with guys how we can improve communication on backwards compatibility, on technical guidance, on documentation, and which platform components should be improved first.
Hello. Say something.
That's an interview.
Oh, it's an interview now.
Yeah,
Okay.
no, you can-
Well, carry on.
Okay, I'm Alex from MT Pro. Magento, we've been working with Magento platform for many years, and we've seen that this community and platform has been changing a lot recently, and we have very high hopes, and it's very good to see Magento people to ask us developers and representatives of community about what we feel is missing and how we can all together make this great platform even better. So we're here very excited to learn more about new strategies, to learn more about new things which are to come in the near future as far as Magento community and Magento platform are concerned.
Don't forget a program.
So read through that, give me your feedback.
A whole bunch of those show off, and there were a couple of us sitting there eating like, oh, it's too much.
Anton, tell us a little bit more about a recent documentation you published on DevDocs website.
So, if you mean the technical guidelines and versioning document, yeah. So, right before Imagine, we published technical guidelines document that describes some rules and best practices for Magento 2 development and versioning document. So, first, technical guidelines is a set of rules and basic truths as described in my blog post about the development of Magento 2 project. It was used, it started some time ago internally as a document that was supposed to bring understanding of good code between all of our teams to same state. So that we wanted to give guidance to our internal teams what we consider good code. And after we've collected a set of these rules, we decided to publish it to make it to bring that understanding to community and to make sure that we see the good code and evolution of platform the same as our developers do, right? So of course we expect a lot of feedback, a lot of discussions on this now, because as I was able to see recently, there are a lot of things that are not so obvious for community but are considered obvious for us, and that's why we don't document them. This document is supposed to bring that understanding closer and fix some of those misunderstandings of best practices of Magento 2 development. Versioning is our promise. Versioning document is our promise to community about backwards compatibility. It describes in detail what our understanding of semantic versioning means, like in what cases we will be bumping minor version or major version of modules, and what extension developers and system integrators, which versions they should depend on in our core modules if they use their functionality and help. So I encourage every extension developer, system integrator to go and read through that. These are important documents for our community, and let's talk to them. Let's talk about these documents and let's improve them.
Looks nice.
What's up, man?
How are you?
What's your audience called? You call them the Pronko Nation? What's up, Pronko Nation? How you doing?
Magento Dev Channel.
Huh?
Magento Dev Channel.
Magento Dev Channel Nation. How you doing?